Okay, so welcome back to ExperiencePlaces tutorials. In the previous tutorial, we activated one of our locations, and now we've been waiting for it to update the payment details. So let's see if there's any changes now. And yes, it seems the profile page has changed. Now it says Manage Account. Some locations are inactive and not visible. And over here we have this change. Instead of being solid red, it turned into gray with a red X in the middle. And now it says Remove from Paid Profile. Basically, this Remove from Paid Profile button is the same as clicking on this Manage Account or on this Manage Account. It'll take us to Manage Account page. So let's just go ahead and do that. And over here we see the same page as we saw before with some changes. It says not purchased for this location and already purchased for this location here. And these are the totals that we're paying right now. So the base price, locations, and starting at 31st of May and starting on the 31st of May 2017. If we add this one, we see another change once again, and there's a base price, locations. The coupon stays active because we added it before. It stays active all the way till 30th of May 2017. And starting on the 31st of May, today, our price will increase. So we will have to do a checkout again. It'll increase to $79.98 per month from $54.99 per month. And starting 31st of May 2017, for example, it's $159.97 per month. Once again, I mentioned in the previous tutorial, these prices are not yet set in stone, so we're still working out as to what to actually charge for this service. What I really want to show in this tutorial is what will happen if you decide to activate another location in your profile halfway into the month, for example. So let's see what would have happened if we registered on 15th of May and our next payment date for next month would have been on the 15th of June. So here I updated it as if I registered it on the 15th of May. And here this is what it shows. It says starting 15th of June 2016, total $54.99. So this means that my next payment is going to be on the 15th of June 2016 in the size of $54.99. And now I want to add this location here. So we get some extra information. We still have this coupon at 50% off, but there's this new field that says this month total $11.99. What that calculates is, because it is going to activate this profile right away and it's going to add this location right away, it calculates the difference between the 2 months. So because we're halfway into the month, it takes $79.98 and it takes $54.99, subtracts the 2 and divides it by the date ratio, and it comes up with $11.99. So this is the difference that it's going to charge for this month, but the payments are still going to be done on the 15th of each month. So I'm going to go ahead and click checkout. And it will take me to PayPal once again, and once again I'm going to log into it. As I mentioned before, you do need a PayPal account to use ExperiencePlaces. So now that I logged in, I'm going to agree and continue. And as before, it says update complete. Now when I go to settings, manage accounts, both of the locations are now updating. So the reason why this happens is because it had to cancel the previous payment profile that we had and create a new one. So now the PayPal has to update both locations with the payment information. And once it's done, both locations will be active and visible, as I mentioned before when we first activated one of the locations. So we will wait a little bit and then we will see what happens.